I'm here with Chef Zayn from Medyz Swahili Cuisine. She is going to take you to the island of Mombassa with the street eats, Yucca Fries with tamarind sauce. Oh, it sounds so delicious. So Zayn, what is it about the Yucca Fries?
Well, these are one of our favorite street eats from Mombassa, and definitely they're much more healthier than the potato fries.
Yes.
So, and I love using the Goya products. So I have some Goya cooking oil.
The olive oil?
The olive oil.
Yes, my fave.
And if you notice, I really cut them very skinny.
Oh yeah, the cassava. Yes.
Yes.
Mm.
These are very popular. I'm also excited because you do know that from Medyz Swahili Cuisine, we're venturing out now to Mombassa street eats, and we'll be
Yes.
serving a lot of some of this fun, exciting, ready-to-go foods, you know.
Oh, yummy. And you can order those, you know, of course, Chef Zayn caters, and you can get some of these street eats directly to your home. So people just, until they get golden brown, and then
And
you...
they're all ready.
Okay, great. And so Medyz Swahili Cuisine. So tell us about what is Swahili cuisine, just for those who don't know about it, while we're still cooking our Yucca Fries.
Well, Swahili is a fusion of African, Indian, and Mediterranean food flavors.
Uh-huh.
And Mombassa is an island in Kenya, in Africa. It's a beautiful place. We're ready.
Ooh. Okay, so these are ready.
These are ready, and I will also add a little bit of the Szechuan salt.
Szechuan?
Yeah.
Yes, Szechuan from Goya, kind of sass it up. Ooh.
Just a little bit.
Ooh, yummy.
You could also do salt and red pepper. That's how we would serve it.
Ah,
Yes.
salt and pepper, either way, everything looks really delicious.
It's ready to serve. Karibuni, let's go to the islands of Mombassa.
Aha, Yucca Fries with tamarind sauce.
We call them muhogo in Swahili.
Ah, mohokoi. Mmm. Mmm.